If you have dry, itchy winter skin, you're not going to want to miss this next video. I'm going to show you how to make DIY bath bombs that will leave your skin feeling softer than the ones you can buy in the store. Check it out. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do post a keto recipe every Friday and a DIY once a month. We have a guest appear today, and her name's Haley, so say hi, Haley. Everyone welcome Haley. And she's gonna help me make these DIY bath bombs, and they are amazing. They're gonna really leave your skin feeling super soft. The ingredients that you're gonna need are some organic coconut oil, and you don't want this mixed with anything. You want it to be pure organic coconut oil. You're gonna need some vegetable-based dyes if you want yours to be colored. This is optional, you don't have to use this, but I think it adds a little something to them when you're in the bathtub. You're gonna need some cornstarch, some baking soda. If you want scents in yours, I'm using lavender in mine. This is also optional. And then citrus acid, and this is what makes it fizz in the bathtub. So I do like using this. You'll find it in the canning department at the grocery store. And then you're gonna need Epsom salt and vitamin E oil. And those are the ingredients you're gonna need. Then you're going to need either bath bomb molds, or I'm just using the silicone mold, and these work absolutely perfect. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna need is a large bowl, and then you're gonna need 2 additional bowls, because at the end we're gonna break this up into 3 different batches. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is add a cup of baking soda, a half cup of citric acid, a half cup of Epsom salt, and a half cup of cornstarch. You got it. Then you're gonna wanna go ahead and give that a quick stir. So now that you've got that mixed, what you're gonna wanna do is divide it evenly into 3 bowls. So once you get your dry ingredients into the 3 bowls, now you're gonna move on to your liquids. And the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is put 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil in a container that can be microwaved, because you're gonna wanna warm this up to liquefy it. So you can go ahead and put your 2 tablespoons. And this doesn't have to be exact for any of these ingredients. If you get close to what I'm saying, it should turn out fine, and they should come out of the mold with no problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this into the microwave. Okay, so now that our coconut oil is warmed, what we're gonna wanna do is add about 10 drops of whatever oil you're going to use if you want to add a scent to it. Like I said, I'm using lavender. And then you'll want to add about 6 to 7 drops of whatever food coloring that you're going to use for this batch. Every bowl is going to have a different color in it, but the same scent. So go ahead and add your food coloring, and then dump it into one of your 3 bowls. Go ahead and stir that in, and you'll want to add the oil slowly if you can. You don't want to activate the citric acid and have it start foaming. And the next thing you're going to want to do is add 2 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. If you don't want it real oily in the bathtub, you can do a tablespoon and a half. And go ahead and mix that in. And this is what you're going to do to each of your 3 bowls, except the only difference is you're going to add a different coloring for each bowl if you choose to. So we're gonna go ahead and get these 3 bowls mixed up so you can see them, and then we'll show you what to do next. So we went ahead and made our 3 bowls. So we have red, yellow, and lime green. You can use, like I said, whatever colors you want. And the next step is to put them either in your bath bomb molds or your silicone molds like we got here. And what you're gonna wanna do is take whatever color you want on the outside and stick it in here, and you're gonna wanna push it into the mold. And just kind of squeeze it down and pack it so it's like this. And then you rotate to your next color and then finish it with the color you want on the outside. So this one will be red on one side, it'll be yellow in the middle, and the lime green on the front. So we're just gonna go ahead and pack these molds. Once we're done with this, you'll put them in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. And what we're doing is letting the coconut oil re-harden, and that's what makes them easy to come out of the mold, and it's what makes them keep their shape. Okay, so this is what they look like when you're done. We're gonna go ahead and stick them in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the freezer. And they should just pop right out, like that. The beauty with the coconut oil is it does make them come out really easy and they hold their shape really well. These are better than most of the store-bought bath bombs that you can buy. The vitamin E oil really moisturizes the first layer of your skin, and the Epsom salt relaxes you and is a stress reliever. So I would definitely go ahead and give them a try. You can do different things with them. They make a great DIY gift, like we put some in here for Valentine's Day. And then you can also find like egg molds that you can put these in, and this would make a great Easter gift. You can put them in egg cartons and the bow around it looks really cute. And I don't think you're going to be disappointed with these. Go ahead and give them a try. Don't you think they're really good?
Yeah, they're almost as good as Lush.
They're almost as good as Lush. Okay, I'll give you that. They're almost as good as Lush, but they're a lot less expensive to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We want to thank Kaylee for being here and helping out with this. Hope you guys have a good time, and we'll see you next month with our next DIY. Bye.
Bye.